Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about word meaning, that is ending with loqui, that means styles of speech. Let us see exactly what slide have been given. Initially we have the word alinoqui, it means off topic speech, that is irrelevant speech. Alloquy, speaking to another or many others. As you can see to the right of this slide, how exactly they are speaking with to another or many others. Altiloquence, that is speaking pompously or high speech. It means boasting regarding someone and pompously or high speech. Ambiloquence, using dubious or ambiguous expressions. It means he is not confident and making confusion. Next we have amphoriloquy, cavernous voice of patient heard over a patient's lung cavity. So as you can understand what exactly this meaning is. Antiloquy, it means a preface. Again we have antiloquy, speaking against some ideas, contradicting or gainsaying. So regarding this antiloquy, that is speaking against some ideas or contradicting or gainsaying, means having the contradiction or having the opposite conversation. Next we have biloquist. It means one capable of speaking with two distinct voices. So who has got a different voices, that is bi means two distinct voices. Next we have blandiloquence, that is complimentary speech, that is flattery speech. They are known as blandiloquence. Now we have blesiloquent, speaking with a stammer or lisp. We know the people who used to stammer, that is basiloquent. We have breviloquence, it means short windedness, brevity towards speech. Please remember, brevity means short, so short windedness, brevity towards speech. Next we have centiloquy, work consisting of 100 aphorisms attributed to Ptolemy. So whatever centiloquy means, work consisting of 100 aphorisms. Next we have colloquy, that is speaking together, mutual discourse. We have next dentiloquent, that means speaking with clenched teeth. How exactly the person to the right side of this slide looks like, speaking like that. Next we have diversiloquent, it means speaking in different ways on different subjects, that is diversiloquent. Next we have doctiloquent, it means speaking learnedly. So if you are learned and speaking with the wise, that is doctiloquent. We have dulciloquent, that is speaking swiftly, that is softness with softness or sweetly. Eloquence means forceful and appealing speech. Whatever the eloquent manner, that is appealing speech. Falsiloquence means deceitful speech. We should know false means deceit, which is not truth, that is deceitful speech. Next we have fatiloquent, that is speaking prophetically, declaring fate. As you can see here, the fatiloquent means speaking prophetically and declaring fate. As you can see to the right of this slide, how exactly the fatiloquent looks like. Grandiloquent, bombastic, the way the George Bush speaks, that is one type of grandiloquent. Next we have inaniloquent, that is prone to foolish or empty babbling, that is known as inaniloquent. Please remember whatever has been given. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations. Next we have ineloquence, that is unappealing speech. Eloquence means appealing speech, ineloquence means unappealing speech. Here we have largiloquence, that is long-winded language, which is a largiloquence. Next we have loquence, that is speech. So whatever has been given, locans at the suffix, that is speech. Magniloquent means speaking in grand or pompous style, the way George Bush speaks. The Maliloquent, speaking harmoniously or sweetie. Please remember that Meliloquent, which is a friendly speech, and sweetie speech. Next we have Mendacilloquence, that is lying speech, which is a false speech, which is lying speech. Next we have multiloquence, that is talkativeness or use of many words. So whoever is expert in the English grammar, he is good at using multiloquence. Next we have obloquy, that is censure, calumny, slander and disgrace. These are all known as obloquy. Next we have omniloquent. It means speaking on all subjects. That is known as omniloquent. Parsiloquy means iconic speech. Pauciloquent means speaking little. Paucity means which is insufficient. So here pauciloquent means speaking little. Next we have pectoriloquy means sound of patient's voice as heard through stethoscope. We understood once we have the stethoscope, then how exactly the sound listen, the way it sounds. Planiloquent means speaking plainly. Next we have pleniloquescent. Here excessive talking or fullness of speech, that is pleniloquence. Next we have polyloquent, that is speaking much or loquacious. We knew that who speaks maximum loquacious, they are known as polyloquent. Next we have sanctiloquent, speaking on heavily or holy matter. Sanctity, we should remember the word sanctile, that is speaking on holy matters or heavenly. As you can see to the right of this figure, how pauciloquent, he speaks very little, and as you can see how exactly uttering few words, brief in speech. Next we have cealoquent, that is spitting greatly while speaking. There are people while speaking they used to split maximum. They are known as cealoquent. Next we have soliloquent. It means spitting in soliloquies, prone to giving soliloquies. Next we have soliloquy, that is talking or conversing with oneself, dramatic production of this nature. Next we have somniloquence, that is talking in one's sleep, is known as somniloquence. So during the sleep they used to have the conversation. Next we have stutiloquence, that is foolish in one's sleep, is known as stultiloquence. Next we have suaviloquence, pleasing or agreeable speech, that is known as suaviloquence. Next we have tardiloquent, that is speaking slowly, is known as tardiloquent. As you can see to the right of this figure, how this ventriloquism looks like, speaking so that the voice appears to come from elsewhere. So that is the way of ventriloquism with the doll. Next we have tolitiloquence, that is smooth or flowing speech, is known as tolitiloquence. Tristiloquy means mournful manner of speech whenever there is a demise or death, where this type of tristiloquy be given. Vaniloquence means vain or foolish talk. Veriloquent means speaking truthfully or truthful. So these are the various form of loquy. Means we understood that the way the style of speech. Whenever you get in examinations, please remember that quay has to give the way it is spoken concerning thing. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, feel free to call on 7667302252. You will be given in a free of cost by WhatsApp. Have a good day. Have a great life.